Understanding each, every, either, and neither in English grammar. Hello language learners! Today, we'll be diving into an essential part of English grammar. We're going to discuss the use of each, every, either, and neither. These words, known as quantifiers, help us indicate quantity or amount in a sentence. Getting to know them will boost your English skills, so let's get started. Let's begin with each and every. Each implies two or more items, where each item is considered individually. For example, each student in the class must complete the assignment. Every, on the other hand, also applies to two or more items but considers them as a group. For example, every student in the class must complete the assignment. Though they are mostly interchangeable, remember that each emphasizes individuality, while every emphasizes inclusivity. Now, let's move on to either and neither. When you want to speak about one out of two options, you use either. For example, you can have either the apple or the orange. Meanwhile, neither is used to indicate that neither of the two options is true or possible. For example, neither the apple nor the orange is available. So, remember, either is about choosing one option, while neither is about rejecting all options. In this section, we will discuss some handy tips to remember while using these quantifiers. 1. Each is often used in the middle or end of a sentence, while every is used before a noun at the beginning of a sentence. 2. Either is followed by or, and neither is followed by nor. 3. Neither is negative, so avoid using another negative term like not in the same clause to prevent a double negative. And that's a wrap on our lesson about each, every, either, and neither. We hope you've gained a clear understanding of how these quantifiers function in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these words in your daily conversations and writing tasks. Keep learning, and we'll catch you in our next video. Goodbye.